Students, we are going to discuss about the relationship between van der Waals constant and critical constants. Our question may be asked, calculate critical constants. Actually, you know, van der Waals constants are A and B. Which are van der Waals constant? Van der Waals constants means small a and small b, and critical constant means PC, VC and TC. Actually, you have to derive relationship between PC, VC, TC and small a and small b. Now see how this relation is derived. First of all, you must know the van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas. What is van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas? Van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas is 1 mole of gas is. What is the van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas? P plus A upon V square into V minus B is equals to RT. Here, if this equation is for n mole of gas, then this equation becomes P plus A into n square upon V square into V minus NB is equals to nRT. But here 1 mole of gas, that's why n equals to 1, hence it will be P plus A upon V square into V minus B is equals to RT. Now solve it. P multiplied by V, it will be PV. Again V multiplied by this one, A upon V square into V minus PB minus AB upon V square, that is equals to RT. Now only you have to multiply these two brackets. After multiplication you will get this mathematical relation. Now after this, multiply throughout by V square. Multiply by V square. PV into V square, it will be PV cube. Okay. Here 1V cancel with this V. Okay. That's why plus A upon V into V square minus PB into V square minus AB upon V square into V square, that's why V square get cancelled, that's why it will be AB only and is equals to RT into V square. After multiplying throughout by V square, you will get this relation. Now, this RHS term, when come to left hand side, then it will be PV cube remains as it is plus this 1V get cancelled with this 1V. This is V square term, this is also V square term. That's why from these two, if we take a minus sign common, then it will be PB minus RT into V square. Now after this, this will be A into V minus AB, that is equals to 0. Since this right hand side term comes to left hand side. That's why it is so. Now divide throughout by P. Divide by P. P into V cube upon P, then it will be V cube only. P get cancelled. Now minus remains as it is. PB upon P, it will be B minus RT upon P into V square remains as it is, plus A upon P into V minus AB upon P. Means after multiplying throughout, after dividing throughout by P, then this equation becomes in this way. This equation is in the form AX cube minus BX square plus CX minus C, just like our quadratic equation. Now if this gas is in the critical state, let me assume if this gas is in the critical state, which is critical state, pressure becomes PC and volume becomes VC and temperature becomes TC. Means at critical state, P equals to PC and T equals to TC. That's why above equation becomes V cube minus B minus RTC, instead of T, TC upon P into V square plus A upon P into V minus AB upon PC. Here instead of P you have to write PC. Okay, instead of T you have to write TC. Okay, now after this, since critical state is there, that's why V equals to VC. Since V equals to VC means V minus VC is equals to 0. Taking cube on both sides, that's why V minus VC cube is equals to 0 cube, that's why 0. Now you know if equation is of the type A minus B cube, then this equation becomes A cube minus thrice A square B plus thrice A B square minus B cube. In the same fashion, this V minus VC cube becomes A cube means V cube minus thrice V into V square into VC plus thrice V into VC square minus VC cube, that is equals to 0. Now equation 1 is this one. This is equation 1. Now this is equation 2. Now if we see this equation, then here V cube, here also V cube, here V square, V square, here V, here is also V, and it is constant, here it is constant. Means this equation you may write in this way: V cube minus thrice VC into V square plus thrice VC square into V minus VC cube. One and same, that is equals to 0. Okay, that is equation 2. Now comparing these two equations, this is nothing but minus thrice V, VC. Means comparing equation 1 and 2, comparing equation 1 and 2, if we compare equation 1 and 2, then from this first thrice Vc is equals to this bracket, that will be B minus RTC upon PC. B minus RTC upon PC. Here minus sign is common, that's why it will be plus. Okay, that's why Vc thrice Vc equals to B plus RTC upon PC. This is equation 3. Now another comparison. Here next comparison, in the next comparison you have to compare the next term, that is thrice Vc square is equals to A upon PC. Thrice Vc square is equals to A upon PC. It will be equation 4. Now last one, that is Vc cube is equals to AB upon PC. Vc cube is equals to AB upon PC. It will be equation 5. See equation 3, 4, 5. Now divide equation 5 by equation 4. What is equation 5? Vc cube upon thrice Vc square, that is equals to AB upon PC upon A upon PC. Now after solving this, AB upon PC multiplied by PC upon A. After solving this, now PC get cancelled with this PC, A get cancelled with this A. Only Vc square get cancelled with this square and one Vc remains there. That's why Vc upon 3, that is equals to B. That's why Vc is equals to thrice B. Now what is Vc? Vc is the van der Waals, B is the van der Waals constant and Vc is the critical volume. This is the relationship between B and Vc. B is van der Waals constant and Vc is the critical volume. Now after this, putting this value Vc equals to thrice B in equation 5, put Vc equals to thrice B in equation 5 in order to calculate the value of PC. Okay, Vc cube means thrice B cube, that is equals to AB upon PC. Now 3 cube 27 into B cube, that is equals to AB upon PC. Again one B cancel with this B, that's why 27 B square is equals to A upon PC. Now what is the value of PC? PC is equals to A upon 27 B square. Again this is the relationship between van der Waals constant B square, that is B, and critical pressure PC. Further, in order to calculate value of TC, putting value of Vc and PC in equation 3 means here TC and PC is there, that's why put PC is equals to A upon 27 B square and Vc equals to thrice B in equation 3. Now after putting this value in equation 3, what happens? You will get, see, thrice Vc, okay, Vc equals to thrice B, that's why instead of Vc only thrice B, okay, B remains as it is, plus R. What is the value of Tc? Tc is nothing but, you have to calculate Tc, that's why Tc remains as it is. What is the value of Pc? A upon 27 B square. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9B is equals to B plus RTC upon A into 27 B square. Now this B when comes to left hand side, 9B minus B is equals to RTC into 27 B square upon A. Now it will be 8B. 8B equals to RTC into 27 B square upon A. This B get cancelled with 1B. Again, see, TC equals to 8A upon 27 RB. See relation. This is critical constant Tc, that is critical temperature, and A and B are van der Waals constant, and this is the relationship between Tc, Vc, Pc and A and B.